Hey everyone, good evening. It's again Friday, and here we are with another session for pre-project internship. So it's free internship by 360DigiTMG. So welcome all to the session. So let me start this session by congratulating you. Now you must be thinking, congratulating you for what? Well, congratulating you for the fact that you have chosen to upskill yourself. Upskilling is not easy. But when it comes to you, you are chosen to upskill yourself, right? So that's the sole reason you deserve congratulations. Now, what is this meeting actually for? This meeting is for free internship in data science and data analytics, and that is offered by 360 DTMG as a contribution to this community, as a output for this community, right? Now, talking about this particular project. Now, why do we need this project? So basically, you must have read data science or data analytics. You must have studied data science, data analytics, and it's always the case that whatever theory you read and whatever works in practical world is completely different. There's a big bridge, or there's a big gap that we need to bridge. So for that, just for bridging that gap, we have this data analytics and data science free internship program. Now, let's talk about this particular program here. Now, you must be in college first year, second year, third year, final year, or maybe while you're doing job, right? Or you must have opted for some course and you're trying for it. You're trying for a job and all. Now, or of course, already if you have job, you're just trying to upskill yourself. And for that, we are here. This particular internship, this free internship will be immensely useful for you. And yes, that's our guarantee. Now, talking about this particular project, there will be two phases of this project as a part of internship. Now, let's talk about different phases. So, phase one will be the learning phase. There will be Python, there will be SQL, there will be data preliminaries. Now I understand you must be having question that okay, we already know all these things. Why don't we jump directly into project? Well, you know these things, but it's really important to brush up those basics. Well, without basics, we can't really say that you are going to do well in the project, right? So just to make sure that you are going through those basics, we have this learning phase. So what do we do in this learning phase? Well, you get access to LMS. Now the question is, how to get access to LMS? Well, you must be the part of a community, right? A WhatsApp community, and you will receive a Google form there. We'll put a Google form there, and you need to fill that Google form. Once you fill that Google form, our efficient backend team will make sure that they contact you and give you the LMS access. Now, the question would be how the LMS looks like. Now, I'll show that. Before that, what will happen in LMS? Well, you'll get 3 videos every single day related to Python, SQL, and data preliminaries. What you need to do is watch those 3 videos and go to assessment. Now, assessment will take you to the LinkedIn page. Now, let me take this opportunity to show you this particular page. Now, this is our learning management system, LMS, we call it. You will get videos here. This is the project we are talking about. These are the different projects we talk about, right? Now, when we are talking about projects, you will click on assessment. Of course, before our project starts, you'll get LMS to assess and LMS like this. And you'll get 3 videos as we discussed, 3 videos every single day. And after you click on assessment, you will go to our LinkedIn page. right? Now, in our LinkedIn page, you will find questions which you have to answer. Now, those are subjective questions that you need to answer. Now, the question would be, why subjective questions and why on LinkedIn? Well, LinkedIn is very, very famous, and we all know there are recruiters who are hunting for people on LinkedIn, hunting for people, good candidates, I should say, to make sure that they are actually employing them. Right. Now, what will you do? You'll answer subjective questions here in this way. And when you answer subjective questions, let's not forget, you are making an impact. You are increasing your visibility when you answer questions, and when you are very, very active on LinkedIn, you are increasing your visibility, thus making sure that you are visible to everyone and to the recruiters too. Now, from here, what will happen? From here, once this part is done, we'll go back and see you'll be having the second phase. Estimating. Yeah, you will be having second phase. In second phase is nothing but a project phase. Now, in second phase, we shall assign an expert data scientist who has rich experience of working on real world projects, and they will guide you throughout the project. Now, this project will be really, really good for you. Why? Because first thing, you'll learn about data science or data analysis, and second, you'll learn an important skill called time management. We will be having daily stand-up meeting for 15 minutes from Monday to Friday to discuss what is done and what must be done for the next day and any risk or challenges that you are facing. Now, we will discuss about this phase when we reach this phase. And once you reach this phase and complete this phase slowly and steadily, of course, and efficiently too, you will actually completing the project. And upon completing the project successfully, you will be awarded an internship project completion certificate from 360DigiTMG. Now, this is a free program. This internship certificate will look something like this: certificate of completion, is name, surname, project name, all those things. Now, this is a free program and certificate also is free. Now, you must have seen that, okay, there are programs where they don't offer certificates for free. Right. Now, here, certificate is also free from our side. We do not charge anything before, during, or after the internship. And the project will start from tomorrow. Tomorrow, that is 9th August 2024. Right. Now, let me tell you that we have many things to offer for you. Now, you must be thinking, how can we at 360DigiTMG aid in your preparation? Again, whatever we are doing, that's good, but at the same time, what else do we offer? Well, when you visit our website at 360DigiTMG, this is a beautiful, beautiful website. First of all, of course, you can see the popular courses that we have. You can see the different domain analytics videos we have. You can read about our differentiators, what differentiates us from our competitors. Now, you can see our alumni, what they say about us. You can read career transitions here. Our students have made career transition, and of course, there would be many of you who are actually trying to be here, right? To here to make career transition. Now, our alumni work at different companies, big companies. Now, this, for example, this website needs an update. There are alumni who are in different big companies, well, better companies than these. Now, after this introduction, let me take you to the mind map section first. Now, this is what will interest you the most, probably. Here we have mind maps, data science mind maps, basically data exploratory part you'll clearly see, or Python programming fundamentals. For example, we have If you go here, you'll see history, features, and all those things. For example, loops. There you go. A lot of things available for you. Now, it is covering all the basic that is required for a data scientist, for a data analyst, right? Now, from here, let me take you to the learning resources page where we have a lot of things for you. Now, of course, you can be part of micro learning bus here. You can learn many things here. And for tomorrow, we'll have decision tree and ensembles for masterclass. And of course, after that, AI prompt engineering mastery. Now, here we have core learning resources for you. You see this digital learning library? You click on that and you will see that we have data science related material completely. This is completely ebook that you can clearly go and read. And it is mine of knowledge. And yes, it's a gold mine. You can actually go and see all these things. Make sure you understand all these things and just revise every single day. Once you revise every single day and you're ready with all these things, of course, you will have immense knowledge. Right. Now, this is AI Design Studio for Machine Learning. Now, when you are in this project, you will be making different uh, the project architecture diagram, right? Of course, you're in project, you will be making the project architecture diagram, and we have different templates for project architecture. For example, we have template for beginner, for someone who's intermediate, and someone who's advanced. This is from data source and everything. Data sources to end user device. This is completely we have for you. Now, this is the one for intermediate also, the one with intermediate knowledge, and the one who's advanced in data field with this knowledge too. Now think of it. You are here having all these knowledge, right? And you're a beginner. And you tell your recruiter that you know all these things, you know how to make a project architecture from one end to another and in a really good way. Won't your recruiter will be really impressed? He will be right. There's so many things that we have here. Now, again, when you go back again, there's data skills assessment, there's career advancement and professional growth. We have resume optimization hub, we have talent connection portal coming up. We have strategic learning maps, innovative project showcase, innovative insight series, all these things where you can watch and learn. Now, these things, all these things we can go and read about all these things here. Now, this is all we have for you. And what else do we have here? When you come here to our YouTube channel, of course, when you're here, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And when you go to playlist section, of course, before that, let me show you that we have, again, upcoming live streams, we have placement success stories, we have our alumni here who are placed. You can read about that. We have biggest repository of success stories when it comes to edtech and all. Right now, this is biggest repository in the whole world. This is really clean. This is really good thing. And international research article publication we have, right? We have data analytics using Power BI. Again, we actually cover a lot of things here. You can see here, you can visit our YouTube channel and you can see that in playlist, for example, we have a lot of things for you, a plethora of things for you, free of course, of course. And doesn't matter if you're talking about particular topic or if you're talking about different domains, like for example, education analytics, telecom analytics, again, wildlife analytics, like there are different domains. We have 76 plus domains. So yes, there's a lot of knowledge available for you, even in on our YouTube channel, our website. There's so many things, right? You can visit our LinkedIn page too, of course. You can visit our LinkedIn page like this and see what do we have for you. We have regular postings here, so you can come back here and actually follow us on LinkedIn. So yes, as we discussed, let us just revise it again of whatever we have covered. So what will we do here? We'll have two phases. This is a free internship project by 360DigiTMG for you. Now we'll have two phases, that is learning phase and project phase. Learning phase will have Python, SQL, and data preliminaries. You need to revise all those things. You will fill the Google form that is available in your WhatsApp community. And once you fill the Google form, you'll get LMSSS. Once you get LMSSS, you'll receive 3 videos every single day. You have to watch those videos and answer question by clicking on assessment. And once you do that, you will be directed to our LinkedIn page and you will be writing subjective answers there. Once you complete this production, once you complete this phase, you will be again in the project phase, that is second phase, where we shall assign an expert data scientist. And again, he will be guiding you throughout the project. There will be daily stand-up meeting for 15 minutes, and you'll discuss whatever it's done, what needs to be done, and any risk or challenges that you have, all those things. And we shall discuss about this when we reach this phase. Talking about this program, of course, it is starting, you'll receive certificate. And talking about this program, for example, here, this program will be starting from tomorrow, that is 9th August 2024. So I hope you understood everything very, very clearly. Now go back and fill that form in your community. And I hope you saw what we have for you, and I hope you enjoyed this session. We'll meet again next week with free analytics and data science and data science project for you. That is a contribution of 360DigiTMG to the community. And please enjoy your weekend. Till that time, we'll meet next week. Till that time, take care, team. Bye bye. Good night. Take care. Bye.